morning. This is RockinRobin, and you're on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, today we're talking about the holidays. I'm so excited. We're going to talk about things you need to know, things you need to do, things you can do for the holidays to make them special and help you make more money. Now, if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay. Been selling on eBay for over 20 years. We sell on Mercari. We've been selling on Mercari a couple of years, maybe 4 years now. We sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. We're going to talk to you today about selling, things you might want to know, things that are going to make you make more money. You stay with us. So I'm very excited. I always get excited when it gets close to the holiday season. It's just the way the air, everything seems different in the holiday season. Well, it's also different if you are a reseller. There's things you need to do. There's things you need to offer. Right now, be prepared because people may want to buy items and have them shipped overnight. You may get items between now, it may happen for Thanksgiving. Maybe you have a turkey platter and they want to get them right away because they're going to have dinner. You got to be ready to sell it and ship it whatever way they want. You might want to go into your shipping option to think about all the different things. Maybe you want to put priority, you want to put 1 day shipping, you want to put all different kinds of things because they're going to need it. And then you can also offer other options like wrapping, like $2 and you'll wrap the package for them. Hey, it's a way for you to make a couple extra bucks, and it's a way for them not to have to worry about it, stress, especially if they want it overnight. There's also things like maybe you'll insert a card. Maybe that'll be $3 because you have to buy the card, and you can buy one of those generic cards. You know, you get them at the store for $1 at the dollar store, and you can sign it with whatever they want to say on it and ship it out. Sometimes that's very convenient for them, and it's a good thing to do because, hey, you make some more money and they're happy. You got to see if you want to offer things. Maybe you don't even want to charge. Maybe you're saying, if you buy my item, I'll wrap it for free. I don't know. Whatever it is you want to do. Now, there's a lot of things that you need to go out and look for. You better have all your items up by now, because if you've been waiting, what are you waiting for? You gotta have them up. Everything needs to be up, and you don't want to wait, but you gotta look for trends. Maybe this year Department 56 has a new collection and everyone wants it. Do you have that collection? Can you get that collection? Maybe you find one and you say, oh my God, this is the big hit. I've had things where I bought things on December 14th and sold them on the 15th because you just don't know. They're buying fast, they're buying rigorous. What you have to remember is you got to tell your postman, hey, I'm expecting to have a lot of packages this year. Be prepared to pick up every day and to pick up a lot. Let them know and give your postman a little gift at the end, thanking him for all that he's done as well. But you have to be able to work harder. You're going to work harder in the next 2 months than you work the rest of the year, but you're going to make more money. This is where you make the most amount of money. And don't waste your time saying, oh, I don't want to put everything up. Do everything. Get it all done. And if you haven't had it done, what are you waiting for? I keep saying that, but you wouldn't believe how many people say, oh, I can wait till December. No. I can wait till Black Friday. No. Do it now. I've done it a month ago. You have to be prepared. That's how you're going to make money in this business. And go out and still continue to look for items. Go to the thrift store, find items for Christmas. Keep putting them up. Don't stop. Don't think I put everything up and I'm done. Keep working. Work. This is the best time to do it. You'll be so happy that you did. There's so many things you need to prepare for Christmas. And if you're not prepared, I don't know what you're doing. So this is RockinRobin. If you like the things that we talked to you about, and we want to give you all the tips and secrets that we can and talk about sold items, have you go garage selling with us, everything you could think of. Well, make sure you subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss anything. Give us a big thumbs up. I'd say 2, but I think you can only give 1. And hit the bell to be notified when we have our next video. What I want you to do right now is I want you to go out there. I want you to find something good. I want you to put it up on eBay or whatever format you sell. And I want you to go make yourself some money. See you soon.